Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix a blue screen issue where Windows 10 or 11 says Windows didn't load correctly. This problem can be resolved with a few simple steps, so let's get started. Now, if you're at this screen and restarting doesn't work, let's click on See Advanced Repair Options, then click on Troubleshoot, and followed by Advanced Options. And let's select Startup Repair. Now, this option attempts to repair any corrupted files and reload Windows successfully. If you're not at the Advanced Options window and want to start the computer in Advanced Options, press and hold the power button until your PC shuts down. Turn it on again. As soon as you see the Windows logo, press and hold the power button to forcefully shut down the computer. Now you need to repeat this step 3 to 4 times until you see the Please Wait screen followed by the Advanced Option menu. Once in the BIOS settings, click on Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. If the startup repair didn't fix the problem, go back to the Advanced Options and let's select Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, run the following command one by one. Let's run the System File Checker to repair any corrupted files. Type sfc /scannow and hit enter. Now this command might take some time, so just be patient. Once it's done, you can see here it says Windows Resource Protection found corrupted files and successfully repaired them. Next, run the following command to repair the boot configuration data. So let's type boot rec /rebuildbcd and press enter. Once done, you can check your disk for errors using the following command. Type chkdsk /f/r and your drive letter. In my case, it's the C, and followed by colon, and press enter. Once you're done executing all these commands, close the command prompt and click on continue and check to see if the problem has been resolved. If not, proceed to the next step. Sometimes recently installed quality or features update might cause issues, so you can try uninstalling those updates. Go back to the Advanced Startup Options and let's go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and Uninstalled Updates. Here you can try first by uninstalling the latest quality updates and see if it resolves the issue. If not, come back here and uninstall the latest feature update. If the problem persists, go back to the Advanced Options and let's select System Restore and choose a restore point from a date when your computer was working fine and restore your system to that point. If none of the previous steps works, your last resort is to reset your PC. Now you will lose all of your apps and settings, but you get to keep your data. So go to Troubleshoot, then select Reset this PC, and choose the option to keep your files and just follow the on-screen instructions to reset your PC. Alright, hopefully one of these steps will resolve your issue. If it does, please let me know which one, and as always, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.